Good day, this is Vanessa Asaron and I'm going to teach you sum of functions. Sum of functions are also called additional functions. Additional functions involves the creation of a new function through the addition of two other functions. So in short, it is just adding two functions to get a new one. In order to define the addition of functions, we just follow the rule that f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. We have a of x is equal to 3x squared plus x plus 9, and b of x is equal to 10x cubed plus 11x squared. Now, find b plus a, the same process and the same rule. So substitute the value of b of x and the value of a of x, and add them together, you add the like terms. Now, 10x cubed do have the same term in the other added. No, so just copy 10x cubed. Now, 11x squared do we have the same? Yes, we have the same term in the other addend. So 11 plus 3 is equal to 14x squared. And x, do we have the same term? No, so just copy x. 9, do we have the same? No. So b plus a of x is equal to 10x cubed plus 14x squared plus x plus 9. Again, arrange them from the highest exponent to the constant. Thank you.
Hi guys, in this lesson we're going to learn operation and functions, but this time we're going to focus in difference. Operation and functions. Our f of x equals 3x plus 5 and our g of x equals 4x plus 6, and we're finding our f minus g of x, and here's to come 3x minus 5 plus 4x plus 6. So this method might very comfortable on your part as well. So it's really okay as long as we come up with the correct answers. So answers that we have: key, CC, keep, change, and change. So our key here is 3x minus 5, so we don't change that. So and our change here is we literally change the sign here to positive, and the other change here refers to the second number, so we need to say we are changing the second number but not the number. It's only pertaining to the side. So meaning to say, checking up your second number in there is the 4x plus 6. So you will be literally changing all the signs in there. So positive 4x will become negative, and the positive here will become negative. And then we are now doing addition in there, adding up. We might start from the constant going to your highest exponent. So we have 5 negative 5 plus negative 6 equals negative 11, and 3x plus negative 4x equals x negative x. So here's our this is our f quantity of f minus g of x.
So I am here to show you on how to get the product of functions. To find the product of function is as simple as multiplying the functions together. For example, if you multiply the f of x and g of x, their product will be h of x is equals to f times g of x, or h of x is equals to f of x times g of x. You can also evaluate the product at a particular point. Let's have our first example. Let f of x is equals to 3x squared plus 4x plus 1, and our g of x is equals to 2x minus 3. Find f of g of x. So, to find our f of g of x is simply saying as f of x times g of x. So first, substitute the value of the f of x, which is the 3x squared plus 4x plus 1, and our g of x is 2x minus 3. So we will do the distributive in each term to the other group. So first term, 3x squared times 2x, we will have the 6x cubed. 3x squared times negative 3, negative 9x squared. Second term, 4x times 2x is 8x squared, and 4x times negative 3, negative 12x. Third term, 1 times 2x is equals to 2x, and 1 times negative 3 and negative 3. So, we will do the combining like terms. In combining like terms, if the value of the exponent doesn't have the same value of its exponent, we will automatically copy or bring down the term. So, since the 6x squared doesn't have the same exponent on the other, so let's bring down it. 6x cubed, then negative 9x squared plus 8x squared is negative x squared. Negative 12x plus 2x is equals to negative 10x. Then copy negative 3. So this will be our f of g of x using the distributive multiplication method.
Hi guys, I am Margarette Manuel, and today I'm going to teach you about division of functions. So division of function is simply just dividing two functions. So here we have the form right here. The quantity of f divided by g of x equals f of x divided by g of x. So we have example right here. The f of x is x squared minus 9, and then the g of x is equals to x minus 3. Now, what would be the the quantity of f divided by g of x? So we have to divide the f of x and g of x. So we have x squared minus 9 divided by x minus 3. Now, if you notice, the x squared minus 9 is perfect binomial. So we just have to factor out. So we have x, 2x, and then we have different signs, which is the plus and the minus right here. And then we copy 3 because 9 is a perfect square. And then copy the x minus 3, the denominator, and then simply cross out the same binomial. So cancel out. So we have the quantity of f divided by g of x equals x plus 3. Hello everyone, I am Margarette Manuel, and today I'm going to discuss about composite function and how to solve them. A composite function is generally a function that is written inside another function. Now let's try on our first example. So we have two different functions here. We have the f of x equals x squared plus 4x minus 7. And then we have g of x equals x minus 3. Now the question is, what would be the composite function between f of x and g of x? So we have the function right here, f of g of x equals, so we're going to substitute the f of x by using g of x as its x. So we have here the quantity of x minus 3 squared plus 4, the quantity of x minus 3 minus 7. So we're going to substitute this one. So we're going to use the FIND method, or you can use the shortcut version of this. So we have x squared minus 6x plus 9, and then we're going to have the distribution property. So 4 times x equals 4x, and then 4 times negative 3 equals negative 12, and then copy 7. And then we're going to combine like terms. So copy the x squared, and then we combine negative 6x plus 4x equals negative 2x. And then positive 9 minus negative 12 minus negative 7. So we have negative 10. So our f of g of x equals to x squared minus 2x minus 10.